So this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video, and in this video you will learn how you can make $10 every 60 seconds. $10 per minute. $10 every single minute without any technical skill, without a website, without investment, and without experience. You ready for this? I bet you are. And you will get paid initially to your PayPal, but if PayPal is a problem for you due to your geolocation, you can get paid in other methods as well. And yes, the best of the best part is you can make money from anywhere in the world, wherever you are in. Or maybe you are in one country, but you are traveling to another country, you can make money. I will initially show you 3 websites that you will need for this system, but in the later part of the video, I will share more websites to give you absolute freedom of how much money you can make in this system. By the way, all you need to do is to type. Right. Now, if typing is boring for you, or if you're not good at typing, there is a solution. Basically, we're going to go there where you will not be doing anything but making money. So that will be the last part of the video. The second part of the video will show you how to use softwares to do the job on your behalf. And I will show you free softwares as well as free softwares that has free version as paid version as well. So free version is for the beginners, which is absolutely amazing and good enough to start with. And the premium version will be for the professionals who are already making money and are ready to invest some of their money to get a better job faster. So I want you to watch the entire video to get the full information to make the money I mentioned. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family, because everybody needs money. This way you will help others how to make money online. Okay, let us begin. So it began with a video that I watched just now. The video is awesome. It's from a famous YouTuber. They have a lot of subscribers, and the video was really good, entertaining and informative, but with a little problem that this video gives you wrong information. Not completely wrong, but kinda misleading. Well, that comes with my story of how I started making money online. Back when I started, I wanted to make money. And I wanted to make money fast. So I started trying a lot of things, and nothing worked until I had 3 things in focus. So I focused on 3 things, and only then I actually started making money, quickly scaled up, and now I have a 7-figure software company. So we can make this kind of videos without asking you to buy anything from us. Yeah, so I actually have nothing to sell to you, but only to give to you. So not only we are giving information, our time, our efforts, so you learn how to make money online, but also we give away our premium softwares free for you, so you actually make money using those softwares. And usually the links are in the description. I'm sure you will find them, but still I want you not to go there right now. Go and take those softwares later. Right now, watch the video in full. If you need, watch the video multiple times. And if you think you want to take notes, go ahead, take notes. But this video will be there, so you can watch it multiple times if you want. So number 1 is helping others. The moment we started thinking about how to help others and make money, we actually started making money. Because what we do online is basically help others and charge them money for the work. Example, this video. If this video is a good video and a lot of people refer their friends and family and other viewers to view this video, well, YouTube will help us sending more viewers. More and more views will make us some good amount of money from YouTube AdSense. Well, I'm not looking for that, but still, it's money. Similarly, when we give away our softwares for free and people use those softwares and actually get results, they come back looking for us to buy our other softwares. So by giving away free, we actually make far more money. Those giving away free always does the advertisements for us. So planning, thinking, setting goal to help others, thinking about how to help others with everything you do will help you money at the beginning. Number 1. Number 2, set up a goal. Now, this is a thing that everybody tells you, but without a proper guideline or a plan, you might be thinking, oh my God, how can I actually make money? Or when will I actually make money? How can I set a goal if I don't know how to make money? Or how can I actually achieve something if I don't have a step-by-step process? Look, the story is there is no step-by-step process. The method is pretty simple. Help others and make money. So set a goal that at the end of this year, I want to make this much money, and go harder to hit that goal. When you have a goal, you have something to hit. If you don't have a goal, you don't have anything to hit. Short story, we have a plan to market on multiple social media sites. But until we set a specific goal, we were planning to do a lot of things, but we did not hit any number. We didn't end up doing anything because we didn't have a goal. Then we set up a goal. Hey, I want this many sales from this platform. And then we actually started work and sales started to come. And then we could go back and check what we were doing wrong, what we can improve and get more sales. That helped us, which was a decent number. All right, finally, work on your goodwill or good reputation. Wherever you work, whatever you do, remember, your reputation will multiply your results with time. So whatever you do, give your full. Build a reputation along the way. Your network is your net worth. So the network you build with the people you work with and you work for will become your biggest wealth down the line. So the three things, okay? Help others make money or have a goal of helping others. Number two, actually set up a goal of everything. Every numbers, without even knowing what you are doing, set numbers first and set time with the numbers. Number three, reputation. Focus on your reputation. All right, now let's go back to the steps. So the video we were watching, that actually has to do with the 3 steps I told you. They made this video for others, which is working for others, helping others make money, which is good. Number 2, have a goal to hit. Maybe they have a goal to hit and actually they are hitting that goal. Who knows? I don't know. I'm not them. But number 3 is a problem. Reputation or goodwill. The information they have shared has a serious problem. They say that this website, rev.com, pays you $1.25 per minute. So actually this was a shortcut information. They quickly finished their 10-minute video with step-by-step nice looking information, but actually this is wrong. If you go to rev.com, yes, they pay you for transcription, which is basically typing. But this rate is not for the transcribers. It's for their clients who need their transcription jobs done. So the clients are paying $1.25 to this company and they are paying much less to the transcribers or their staff. Now they mentioned that it's very easy to join this website and you can work from anywhere you want. Wrong. It's not that easy. If you go to the rev.com/freelancer section, the first thing I see is we are not currently accepting applications from your location. Now, I am currently living in Abu Dhabi, UAE, and in UAE, people use a lot of English. But if I am not accepted here, if we are not accepted here, how come you can be accepted? So, when I clicked Learn More, it took me to this page where they mentioned exactly which country transcribers they are looking for. And it's Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and United States. Now, there is a way out. You can actually earn money from anywhere in the world from this website. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you. But this is not that easy. And the rate is not the same. So with wrong information, this channel is actually putting their reputation at stake, which you should never do. Remember that. Again, this is a good video for a reference, but you should not completely rely on one video. So how much they're paying you? They're paying you 30 cents to $1.1 per video or audio minute, which is far less than $5 per 60 seconds. But again, you can make that money. But it's a little trickier than that, and that is why I'm making this video for you. So rev.com is basically a good website. They have 3.3 million monthly visitors, and they offer 3 types of services: transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. This foreign subtitles will pay you the most. Example, $3 to $7 per minute. This is amazing. So if you are from India, yes, India is accepted. And you can transcribe English videos to Hindi and get paid $3 to $7 per minute, which is average $5 per minute. Okay, not bad at all. But for that, you need one skill, and that is the skill we are talking about, which is typing test. So go to typingtest.com and you will be able to start a test, and once you are done, you'll get a certificate. It's awesome. Now, another information they shared in this video is that this certificate will help you get a job. Honestly, no. Nobody cares. Nobody cares your speed, especially these websites. Yes, they deliver their work to their clients within a particular period, but you don't need super typing speed for that. Besides, they will take your exam before you actually get enrolled in their job. They don't want to be in trouble with the freelancers, thousands of freelancers from all over the world trying to get a job. So they will not focus on your certificate. Maybe it will help you here and there, but most importantly, this test will help you build confidence. See, a computer has only 3 elements: a keyboard, a monitor or a display, and a mouse. The keyboard is one of the most important tool or a part of the computer. If you don't know the optimum use of this keyboard, then you don't know at least 33% of computer, which is bad. So everyone should learn typing, fast typing. Now, average typing speed is 40 words per minute, and 1 minute video is 150 words. So approximately, let's say you practiced and now you have 50 words per minute speed. So you can transcribe a 1 minute video in 3 minutes just by typing. And in 3 minutes, you'll get paid approximately $1.1. Let's say $1.1. So that is your current speed. How much money, when will you ever make $10 per minute? I'll come to that. And that is why I'm here, to give you the realistic information and step-by-step way to do that. But before we go there to the second step, basically, I want to show you another website that this video also showed with a little bit of wrong information. That is transcribeme.com. Transcribeme.com. Now, the problem with TranscribeMe and Brave.com both is they pay through PayPal. So if your country doesn't support PayPal, that's a problem. But still, I told you that I will solve the location problem completely. But let's come to transcribeme.com and you go to workhub.transcribeme.com/account/register, and you'll have to complete this form to create your profile, and then go to the FAQ section and you will know that there is an exam. So you have to pass that exam to become a transcriber. Now, no matter what you do, you have to pass the exam. The same thing is true for rev.com as well. Even if your location is accepted or you are from an accepted location, you still have to pass some kind of exam. This takes us to the second stage, using softwares. Now, for transcription and for captions, you can use software like Otter.ai. Otter.ai is freemium, pretty much free to use. So if you have a free account, you can transcribe anything for 600 minutes, which is 10 hours. Awesome, per month. So from a free account, your 600 minutes will be reset. So every month from a free account, you can make 600 minutes of transcription. Now it's very easy. You can import only 3 files with a free account, but you can always run an audio, click the record button, and use your microphone just like the way I am doing right now. You see, as I'm speaking, this software is recording. Super awesome, right? Similarly, you can open your microphone and run your video or audio in front of the microphone. The software will transcribe it. Their AI is super cool, and in my opinion, from my experience, this is the most correct transcription software that you can use mostly for free. Once you are done, simply click stop and it will be recorded. Not only the text, but also the audio. Now comes to the third stage, which actually not only makes you passive income, but also help you run this whole system as a business. You see, transcription or captioning is a huge industry. Podcasters, video creators, they all need this service. So whether you use rev.com or Transcribe Me or even Fiverr.com, there are hundreds of thousands of people looking for this job. So in the third stage, where you can actually have a complete business on this business model, and you will make passive income instead of you working by yourself or typing by yourself or even transcribing anything using your software. You get help from other people to do the job for you. So it's more like having a company. And this comes from the first mindset I shared with you, that instead of you try to make all the money, plan for helping others. So not only you are helping your clients or your customers by transcribing for them, but also look for the people who are looking for jobs, and look for the people who are in the countries where dollar is expensive, like the third world countries. In those countries, there are people looking for jobs, and they will work for you 8 hours, 10 hours per day for a very little amount of money in dollars. And they will do great job. Find them and hire them to apply in these websites. Now, you must be concerned about the geolocation. Don't worry. Contact agencies in those countries and have them run the websites for you, run the jobs for you, and get the jobs done by people living in the countries where dollars are expensive. When you earn $1.10, pay them 10 cents or 20 cents, which is big for them, and you keep the rest, which is 90 cents to $1. This way you can have multiple people working for you, making even $10 or even $20 or even $30 per minute while you don't do the job, and have someone else to find the jobs for you. Now, till you get into these websites, you can always contact the Fiverrs and ask them that you are going to do the job for them. So all these Fiverr gigs have regular jobs on transcription or captioning. When they will get a job, they will give you the job at a cheaper price. You do it at the beginning, make some money, and then start your own agency, your own company, your own gig from your income. I hope this makes sense. As soon as you have someone to help you or more people to help you, you can use them to run multiple businesses. So during their free time, you can use my softwares to make videos or to make blogs and to get traffic from multiple social media using my softwares. They are free, premium software, but free for my viewers. Go get them and use your team, use those softwares to make blogs, make videos, do marketing for your gigs and your company, and run traffic to your websites, make money from affiliate marketing, and you will make much more than $10 per minute. Easy peasy. But the thing is your mindset. The three things in your mindset. Number one, try to help others to make money. Number two, have a goal with time. So number goal and time goal. And number three, whatever you do, wherever you go, whoever you work with, build a reputation from day one. All these Fiverr gigs, all those websites, they have goodwill. They built goodwill. They have 5-star ratings, 4.9-star ratings from their customers or their clients. That's how they get promoted by the platforms, and they get more and more jobs and keep making money. So have these three things in your mindset and you will easily make money. Start doing today. If you like your video, this is the realistic way to make money online. This is what we do and how we do. And you can do it too. It's very easy. Start from today. Use my software's link in the description, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They will also learn how to make money online the realistic way, how to get help, how to scale your income, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.